Today I'm going to be showing you how to juggle 3 balls in just 2 minutes. Now it'll take a lot longer than a few minutes to learn, but I will be outlining all the steps you need to know to learn how to juggle. First, start with just 1 ball. Put your feet shoulder width apart, hands at your sides, and look slightly upwards. Do not watch the ball go into your hand, but instead focus on the ball at the peak, and your hands will know where to go. This may seem trivial for many of you, but keep practicing until it feels solid and comfortable. Now, grab your second juggling ball. Many of you will want to do what's called a shower pattern, where one hand does all the throwing and the balls are passed from hand to hand. This is not what you want to do. Instead, throw both balls into the air, starting with your dominant hand, and releasing the second ball when the first ball is at its peak. The balls will sort of make an X pattern in the air. This may seem more difficult, but it is essential to learn to be able to juggle 3 balls. Practice this until you can do it consistently without dropping, starting from both hands. Grab your third juggling ball. Start with 2 juggling balls in your dominant hand and 1 in the other. Your first throw will be made with your dominant hand. You will do exactly what you did before when you juggled 2, except now as the second ball reaches its peak, you throw the third ball. Try and keep a similar tempo to what you see in the video. Many will try and rush the throws when they first start off. Make sure to keep your feet still and make sure your throws do not go too far forward or backwards. If you have trouble with your throws, try and go back to practicing 2 for a little while and make sure your throws are very clean. Start adding more throws once you feel comfortable doing 3 throws and catches. Slowly work your way up with more throws and catches until you can run the pattern for a longer time, and just like that, you're juggling. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.